If you're seeing the AnyDesk error saying connection in progress, please wait, don't worry. This is usually caused by a simple conflict, a firewall block, or a connection setting that needs to be adjusted. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get connected again as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. First, let's check for software conflicts. If you have other remote desktop apps running, such as TeamViewer or Chrome Remote Desktop, they can interfere with AnyDesk and stop the connection from completing properly. On both the host computer and the remote computer, close any other remote access tools that are open in the background. Also, if your antivirus is being overly aggressive, temporarily disable it just long enough to test the connection. Sometimes security software blocks remote desktop traffic without warning, so this quick check can save you a lot of time. Next, let's allow AnyDesk through Windows Defender Firewall. If the firewall is blocking it, the connection may stay stuck on connection in progress and never fully establish. To do this, open your Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Once it opens, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then select Change Settings. From the list, find AnyDesk and make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. This tells Windows to allow AnyDesk through on both network types. After that, click OK and restart your computer so the changes take effect properly. If you're still having trouble, the next fix is to add the /np tag to the remote address. This can help in cases where the remote screen requires a password or when you're using direct network connections. In AnyDesk, type the remote user's ID or alias and add NP at the end. For example, if the ID is 123456789, you would enter 123456789 NP. This tells AnyDesk to ignore network printer and port scanning, which can speed up the connection and sometimes prevent the stuck error from appearing. It's a small change, but in many cases it makes a big difference. Now let's turn off direct connection. Sometimes this feature creates a conflict and causes AnyDesk to freeze or fail while trying to connect. Open AnyDesk and click the menu button in the top right corner, which looks like 3 lines. Go to Settings, then Connection, and if needed, click Unlock to make changes. After that, go to General and find the option for Allow Direct Connections. Uncheck that box, then click Apply. Turning this off forces AnyDesk to use a more stable connection method, which can often solve the problem when the direct route is causing trouble. Once you've completed these steps, try connecting again. In many cases, one of these fixes will resolve the AnyDesk connection in progress issue right away. If it still isn't working, double check your firewall settings, make sure no other remote tools are running, and confirm that the remote ID was entered correctly with the ANP tag if needed. Hopefully this helped you fix the AnyDesk error quickly and get back to work. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.